In this video, I'm going to show you how to fragment images with shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and open a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Shapes. Let's select a diamond shape from here. Place the shape on the slide while pressing Shift on your keyboard. Right-click on the shape and copy it. Paste the shape by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. After pasting, place the shapes in another diamond shape. Paste and place it until the side fills. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Pictures, then This Device. Select your picture. Right-click on the picture. In the pop-up, click on Send to Back. Now select the whole slide by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will select the picture alongside the shapes. In the title bar, click on Shape Format. In the menu bar, click on Merge Shapes. In the drop-down menu, click on Fragment. Here you can see some faint lines around the shapes in the picture. Select the part without any shapes and press Delete on your keyboard. Here you can see that we have divided our picture into fragments. Now paste your text on the slide. Place them on the empty side of the slide. Here you can see that we have created a stunning image fragment effect.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.